Exactly. This started a couple of days ago when I started doing, as you can see, my PADI certification. I've been doing all these classes and I'm preparing to do the exam. I'm preferring to do it in Spanish, but basically this was what I've been doing before, getting ready for what you're seeing now. Okay, here we are. Time for the exam. After this, I will show you how's the practical part. Yes, we did it. So I finished, I came here to my email, I have my confirmation. We are ready to go. Good morning. Today we have our first diving immersion. So now we are going to the meeting point because we are going to start to dive. I am arriving some minutes late. Should have been 2 minutes ago. Sorry, my bad. I'm on my way right now. We're here with my friend Jody, who is going to be my instructor today, originally from the UK, living in Cyprus. We're going to have some fun because I think we are the only ones on the island right now. So, or we have fun or we die, but something will happen. Okay, here we are writing travel details. So we can start with Jody setting up the gear. Start. The suit should be tight because the water will be a little bit colder, so this is how we should be doing. That's what Jody told me. Meanwhile, we're going to try to do 2 dives today. The first one to learn some of the theoretical part we learned, and then going up to 9 meters. It's important to be having this tight so the water that will be entering won't freeze me. I think this is okay. We're going to dive today. So Jody, today first session, right? Day 1. Night 1. If you like this video, if you enjoy, you don't know how much help you give me just by subscribing. So please subscribe, give me your comments over here, and stay tuned for more adventures.